Blackpink, has a very busy lifestyle. She is constantly on the go, touring the world, performing, and recording new music. However, she also makes time to enjoy her life and pursue her interests. Lisa is known for her iconic fashion sense. She loves to experiment with different styles and trends. She is also a brand ambassador for several luxury fashion houses, including Celine, Bulgari, and Penshop. Lisa is also a big fan of beauty and skincare. She has her own line of cosmetics, called MAC Cosmetics x Lisa. She also regularly shares her beauty tips and secrets with her fans on social media. Lisa loves to eat and travel. She has shared her favorite foods and restaurants with her fans on several occasions. She has also traveled to many different countries, including the United States, Europe, and Asia. Lisa is a talented dancer and rapper. She is known for her powerful stage presence and energetic performances. She is also a songwriter and has co-written several of Blackpink's songs. Lisa owns several luxury cars, including a Porsche 911 Carrera 4S worth over $100,000 and a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon worth over $120,000. Lisa recently purchased a luxurious $6 million villa in Seoul, South Korea. The villa has 3 floors and is over 7,000 square feet in size. It features a swimming pool, a home theater, and a private gym. Lisa's luxurious lifestyle is a result of her hard work and dedication to her career. She is one of the most popular K-pop idols in the world and is in high demand for endorsement deals and other business opportunities. She is also a talented artist.